Hello and welcome back to another video. Now what I'm trying to show here with this very poor camera angle is the fact that the clutch on my motorbike has just recently stopped working. So when I put the bike in gear and I rock it backwards and forwards and I press and depress the clutch, nothing happens. The clutch remains engaged. So the other day when I turned on the engine and I wanted to go for a ride, as soon as I engaged gear, the engine just died because the clutch wouldn't work. So it engaged while I was stationary and the engine died. And I couldn't work out what's happened. So today I'll be taking the engine apart and having a look to see what's happened with the clutch. So I took the cover off and you can see the clutch here. I'm not too sure what happened. The push rod, push bar, whatever you want to call it, it's working. I thought there might be a problem with that coming disconnected, but that's working. This push rod in here is still there, it's intact, there doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. I mean, this engine hasn't been taken apart in a very long time by the looks of it. There's some discolored oil kind of everywhere. I don't know if it's worth taking it apart and cleaning it. I think for the time being I won't do that. As I was trying to take the clutch out, I realized that it just wouldn't come out. It required quite a bit of force, so I decided to check and see if it's disengaged. So you can see me here rocking the bike backwards and forwards, and you can see that the clutch is still engaged, even though there's no springs applying pressure to the clutch plates. It's still engaged and it wouldn't let the engine spin freely. So this means that the clutch plates are seized together. So I just took the whole clutch out because it just felt like something inside was stuck. Even after I removed all the springs that normally put the pressure on the clutch, it still looked like it was engaged. So I took it all out. I'm gonna clean it, clean each individual plate one by one, and then I'm gonna try and put it back
and see if that fixes anything.
And once again, just to make sure before I finish tightening all the bolts, I'm playing with the hand clutch and seeing if it engages and disengages while the bike is in gear. Now, this is not a problem that I've ever seen before on any other motorbikes, and probably if I had a bigger, more powerful engine, um, once you put it into gear with the clutch engaged, there'll be enough force in the engine to break the clutch plates loose. But on this particular engine, as soon as I press the clutch, I engage a gear, the engine just stalled. Um, so if you have similar issues with trying to engage gear and the clutch not working, it's easy enough to check yourself if this is a problem. As I've said, I've not seen this before. I don't know how often it occurs, but it's worthwhile checking before you take it to a mechanic.